training, but first of all we're going to talk about Battle Cancer Iceland, which is the dream, and do some training in there and not get absolutely embarrassed by all the ridiculously fit Icelandic people. But yeah, before I'm going to see a little bit of CrossFit Reykjavik, a little bit of workouts that I'm going to do today. It's exciting.
Doesn't look that bad at the moment.
Nah, it's nothing.
It's actually stormy.
Nothing. Runar's dad says this is like not even bad yet. Right, in like the busiest CrossFit gym in the world. Like, luckily I have been here before a couple of months ago, but it was not this busy. So it's obviously CrossFit Reykjavik. The classes are mental. So they have like 40 people in a class. So I'm not doing a class. I'm not being like class snob. I'm really sore and I want to do some lifting later on at those. So I'm just going to do a bit of a like quick cardio workout and then a gymnastics workout. But I'll show you a little bit around anyway. We'll do a little mini tour. But I'm going to do 40 cal on the run and then 40 wall ball, 30 cal, 30 wall ball, 20, 20, 10, 10, 5, 5, similar to what I did